Welcome back, gardeners. Today, we're focusing on how to identify and manage common diseases and pests that can affect Roma tomatoes. We'll also highlight some organic solutions to keep your plants healthy and thriving. Roma tomatoes can be susceptible to diseases like blight, fusarium wilt, and blossom end rot. Blight causes dark spots on leaves and fruit, while fusarium wilt leads to yellowing and wilting. Blossom end rot is marked by dark sunken spots at the bottom of the fruit, often caused by calcium deficiency. To prevent and manage these diseases, rotate your crops each season and avoid overhead watering. Mulch around the base of your plants to retain moisture and improve soil health. For blossom end rot, adding calcium-rich amendments like crushed eggshells or lime can help. Using organic copper or neem oil sprays can also help control fungal diseases. Roma tomatoes can attract pests such as aphids, hornworms, and whiteflies. These pests feed on leaves and fruit, weakening the plant and reducing yields. To manage pests organically, use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control infestations. You can also introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs or lacewings to naturally reduce pest populations. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests and remove them by hand if needed. By staying vigilant and using these organic methods, you can protect your Roma tomatoes from common diseases and pests. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy growing!